No way.
That's where I was gonna go. 10 minutes. Wow.
Take all the pictures you want, sir. No flash.
Okay, no problem. Oh, thank you.
So if you're Group A, you're odd number, and you're Group B, you're even number hours. In addition to you having my 1-year-old, you said there's no nursery even until you're 4 years old. You have to go to the other bedroom. So yeah, you have to have the whole time like spontaneous stuff. For a week long and live watching. Clearly, that's just too expensive.
Hello and welcome to Soarin. My name is Patrick and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the underseat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. If smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat, just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. Nice work, pal. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival gate. Okay, let's review. That is seatbelt, carry-on item, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else? Yeah. Have a nice flight.
How high is it?
We are now conducting our final systems check. Please stow all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened during your flight and watch your children.
Bienvenidos. Favor de colocar sus efectos personales en el compartimiento debajo del asiento. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con el cinturón de seguridad abrochado durante el vuelo y vigilen a los niños. Esperamos que disfruten su vuelo.
Soarin to tower. We are ready for takeoff.
We get lots in Ohio. I live right on Lake Erie.
office. To unfasten your seatbelt, just push down on the red button on your right. Be sure to gather all your carry-on items from the under-seat compartment and exit to your right. Have a
Oh,
great
right.
stay here at EPCOT,
That way.
wherever your final destination may take you.
Oh, that's okay.